Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to JobSolve channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 17 May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Who has been nominated by the National Rifle Association of India for the Khel Ratna, the country's highest sporting honor? So it is option number D, Anjum Modgil. So she is selected for Khel Ratna award, and Jasprit Rana is nominated for Dronacharya award, and Saurabh Chaudhary and Abhishek Verma are nominated for Arjuna award. Question number 2. According to the Global Nutrition Report 2020, India is among how many countries which are likely to miss the global nutrition target by 2025? So India is among 88 countries. Question number 3. The Indian Army is considering the proposal to allow civilians including young working professionals to join the force for a tenure of how many years as officer or in other ranks for a variety role? So it is for 3 years. Some general to Indian Army. Indian Army headquarters present in New Delhi. Its chief is General M.N. Narwane, and Army Day is celebrated 15 January each year. Question 4. The Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced how much percentage interest subvention on loans given to the Mudra Shishu. So it is 2%. So Mudra stands for Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. So Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana is started on April 2015, and there are 3 schemes of loan in Mudra. One is Shishu, second is Kishore, third is Tarun. For Shishu, it is 50,000 rupees loan, and for Kishore, it is 50,000 to 5 lakh, and for Tarun, it is 5 lakh to 10 lakh. These are the 3 schemes. Question 5. What is the theme of International Day for Families in 2020? So first we have to know when is the International Day for Families. So it is celebrated on 15 May each year. So this year the theme is Families in Development. Question number 6. According to an analysis by Carbon Brief, Indian carbon dioxide emission fell how much percentage in May 2020? So it is fell 15% and 30% in April. Question number 7. A new scheme of interest subvention of working capital loans for the dairy sector has made provision for providing interest subvention of how much percentage per annum? So it is 2% per annum. Question number 8. Who participated in the 32 Commonwealth Health Minister meeting through video conference? So it is our Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. Question number 9. Who has unveiled the second set of relief measures under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan in May 2020? So it is done by our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 10. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced how many lakh crore conventional credit boost through the Kisan Credit Special Drive. So she had done 2 lakh crore credit boost through Kisan Credit Card Special Drive. So it will benefit over 2.5 crore farmers in the country. Question number 11. Under the Atmanirbhar Gujarat Sahay Yojana, 1 lakh crore rupees collateral free loan will be given at 2% for the beneficiary of how many years? So it is for 3 years. Some GK related to Gujarat. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Vijay Rupani is its CM and Acharya Devavrat is its governor. Question 12. As per the data released by the Commerce and Industry Ministry, wholesale price index, that is WPI, deflation in primary articles was how much percentage in April 2020 as against inflation of 3.72% in March 2020. So it is declined to 0.79%. Question 13. Which state has launched a scheme, Martyrs Mystery, to utilize 50,000 acres of barren land in 6 districts of for income generating activities like horticulture and pisciculture? So it is done at West Bengal. And recently West Bengal launched two programs. One is Somar Purush, the second is Prochesta. So in Somar Purush, they are going to assist the migrants who are outside the state 1,000 rupees, and those who are daily workers, they are going to paid by 1,000 rupees. Some GK to West Bengal. West Bengal capital is Kolkata. Mamata Banerjee is its CM, and Jagdeep Dhankar is its governor. Question 14. Jai Gurinder passed away in May 2020. He was related to which of the following? So he was related to all of the above. That means he is an actor, modeler, and voice-over artist. Last question of the day. Which state is all set to implement a sensor-based service delivery monitoring system in rural drinking water sector under the Jal Jeevan Mission? So it is done by Gujarat government. So Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar, Biju Rupani is its CM, and governor is Acharya Devvrat. So these are the current affairs of today. So answer of yesterday's question is 20th November is observed as World Children's Day. So question of today is, what is the currency of Israel? So write down the answer in the comment box, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and be happy.